Hi guys, how are you? Hope you will be fine. So today in this video tutorial I'm going to show you how you can install a strong VPN on your Amazon Firestick device. So this VPN is officially available on Amazon Firestick App Store. If you want to download a strong VPN on your Amazon Firestick device, you don't need to jailbreak on Firestick. So first of all, what you have to do, you need to click on search icon above the menu and type here strong VPN. When you type strong, the suggestion below strong VPN, so scroll down and click on strong VPN, and here as you can see strong VPN icon, so click on. Now click on download button. So here as you can see downloading will be start. It will depending on your internet speed. So the strong VPN is installed on our Amazon Firestick device. Now you open strong VPN from here and also from home. So after installing VPN, go back to home screen by pressing remote home button. And here again press remote home button for 3 seconds. Now click on apps. And here you will find all application that is installed on Firestick device. So if you want to open strong VPN, then scroll down, you will find a strong VPN. So here is the strong VPN icon, then click on. Now you have now you have a VPN. Now you have a strong VPN account. Then now you have a so if you have a strong VPN account, then type your email and password and click sign in button below. So you can use this method to download strong VPN on your Amazon Fire Stick device. And I hope this video is really helpful for you. And please don't forget to click on like button, share button, and subscribe button. And if you have any kinds of question, then comments on below. I will see you guys next video. Take care.